Hello everyone, this is David, a specialist of GRP panel tank. What I'm going to present to you today is a feature of SMC or GRP panel tank. I believe that you people may wonder what is the advantages for this product. Why should I take this tank for my project? I hope you can widen your knowledge for GRP tank from this video. Let's get it. Today, I have presented about the feature of SMC tank. How was the movie? If you have any comments or inquiries, please send me email. Thank you very much.